Well, first of all, I think as always, people may come up with great ideas and so forth, but the question is really how can that be marketed? How is it the right approach? Is it just an idea that perhaps is good that it stays there? And what is really the impact that is going to present this idea if it once it's transformed into business? So I guess the Pioneer Programme helped me develop an understanding into the progression of how these can be developed, and I guess mainly I had to almost take 3 steps back as I was going through the course, the mentoring program, realizing that I had to almost go back to this sketching board and most importantly take all of the skills I was learning into account. So I feel now that I'm in a better position than I was before, mainly because I can see the evolution, how can this keep on growing, and hopefully at the end of this year or early next year to be able to actually launch the application that I've been working on.